In this video, we're going to learn how to create a graph. The first step is to draw your axes and then label the graph. To draw the axes, you can use a ruler or you can use a straight edge, something that will allow you to draw a straight line. The next thing is to label the axes. On the x-axis, I'm going to be plotting time. When you label your axes, don't forget to include the units. And then also we want to give our graph a title. In physics, typically the title will be whatever's on the y-axis, that's the vertical axis, versus whatever's on the horizontal, the x-axis or the horizontal axis. In this case, it's going to be time. So for this graph, it's going to be position versus time. Next, we want to number our axes. We want to make sure that our intervals are even. In other words, if this box right here is 1, then the next box is 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going by ones on the x-axis. So if you go by ones, you don't want to suddenly jump to going by twos. On the vertical axis, my largest position is 10. So I want my 10 to be up here. Okay, and so I'm going to divide this evenly by 2. So each box will be 2. So each box 2, 4, 6, 8. I don't want to jump by 2s and then suddenly jump by 3. So we want to go by even intervals. The next step will be to plot the data. And at time 1 second, the position is 2. At time 2 seconds, the position is 4. At 3, it's 6. At 4, it's 8. And at 5, it is 10. If your graph looks like it is linear, then the next step will be to draw a best fit line, and that will be by using either a ruler or you can use a straight edge. The main idea with the best fit line is that you only use it if it looks like the graph is linear, and then it should be a straight line. It doesn't have to touch every single dot. It doesn't have to go through the origin. It just will be as close to the dots as possible.